Why is snow white? If you turn on a faucet, you can see that water is clear and colorless. You can even see through blocks of ice from the freezer. Piles of snow, on the other hand, can cover the ground in a white blanket. So, why does snow look white when it is frozen water? Optics is the field of science that studies light. Scientists work to understand how light interacts with matter. It can explain why a material may be colorless in one form, but white in another. How visible light strikes surfaces. When light hits an object, three things can happen. Light can be transmitted or pass through the object. An object can absorb or take in the light, or light can reflect, which means to bounce off an object. Water sometimes has smooth surfaces that let light pass through. Think about a puddle or lake. Very little light reflects off the surface, so not much light reaches our eyes. We might not even notice the water, just the ground below. However, snow is made up of hundreds of tiny ice flakes. Each flake has many different surfaces, facing different directions. Light reflects and scatters after striking the many surfaces. It bounces off in all different directions. The light, mainly white light, reaches our eyes and looks white. So why do icebergs and glaciers appear blue? White light that we see is a combination of all the colors in the rainbow. This includes red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. All of the colors bounce evenly off the snow so it looks white. As light reflects and scatters, the colors separate out. Think of a red ball, for example. Only red light bounces off the ball. That light reaches our eyes, and we see the ball as red. Same thing can happen for snowpacks, icebergs, and glaciers. Snowpacks are packed snow on the ground, and icebergs and glaciers are large ice formations. Not all light reflects off the surface of these objects. It can enter through cracks and crevices. The trapped light travels within the snow and ice, scattering in every direction. The farther the light travels, the more times it scatters. As the light bounces around the ice, the colors separate from each other. The ice absorbs most of the colors, especially red. Blue light keeps bouncing around. And when the light rays finally emerge from the snow layers, it's only the blue light that reaches our eyes. To us, it looks like the snow has a blue tint. Blue snow only happens when snow is deep enough to filter out other colors. It has to be at least 1 meter deep. Particles can change the color of snow. Living things or other particles in the snow can change its color too. Watermelon snow happens because of freshwater algae. They are red and make the snowpacks they live in look red or pink. Algae are living things similar to plants. They grow in water and depend on sunlight to make their food. Of course, it's no mystery where one color of snow comes from. If you see yellow snow, it's safe to bet animal tracks are nearby.